Have you ever wished Apple would finally break its cycle of tiny, safe upgrades and deliver an iPhone that feels truly new? Well, the iPhone 17 might just be that moment. With its big unveiling set for September 9th, the expectations are sky high. After years of incremental improvements, Apple has some ground to make up. Today, let's walk through the 7 features that could make the iPhone 17 a phone worth talking about. Let's start with the display. For years, Apple has kept its promotion technology, that smooth 120Hz refresh rate, locked away for the Pro models. But reports suggest the iPhone 17 will finally bring promotion to every model. That means smoother scrolling, fluid animations, and a better overall experience even on the standard iPhone. Along with that, the always-on display feature, previously exclusive to the Pro lineup, could also make its way across the board. If true, this would finally close one of the longest-standing gaps between the base and premium models. Next is the front camera. Believe it or not, Apple has not meaningfully updated the selfie camera since the iPhone 11 back in 2019. That is 6 years of waiting. The iPhone 17 is rumored to feature new 24-megapixel front sensor that should bring sharper detail, clearer video calls, and photos that hold up better when zoomed or cropped. While rivals are already offering front cameras with 50 megapixels, this step is still a welcome move for Apple users. The third big wish is around artificial intelligence. Last year, Apple promised bold new AI features with the iPhone 16, but most of those promises fell flat. This time, Apple cannot afford to overpromise and underdeliver. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional. Rivals are building smarter assistants, faster editing tools, and more efficient battery management. Apple has to show not only that it can talk about AI, but also that it can deliver meaningful features that improve daily use. Number 4 on the list is pricing. According to rumors, every iPhone 17 model will cost $50 more than its iPhone 16 counterpart. That would put the baseline iPhone 17 at $849 instead of $799. While upgrades are always appreciated, Apple needs to tread carefully here. Even the most loyal fans may start to hesitate if prices keep rising while competitors are offering powerful phones for less. At number 5, we have the camera control button. Apple introduced this new button on the iPhone 16, aiming to give users a more tactile way to shoot photos and videos. The concept was strong, but the placement was not. Positioned too close to the middle of the frame, it was awkward to use. If Apple simply moves it toward the lower right corner, this button could become one of the most practical features for people who love mobile photography. The sixth feature is performance. Rather than reusing the A18 chip from the iPhone 16, Apple is expected to put the newer A19 processor to the iPhone 17. That would give the standard model the same power as the iPhone 17 Air, while the Pro versions may step up with an even faster A19 Pro chip. Memory is also getting an update, though not evenly. The regular iPhone 17 may stay with 8 GB of random access memory, while the Air and Pro models could get 12 GB. That would support heavier multitasking and power-hungry Apple Intelligence features. And finally, number 7, battery life. Apple has always managed to squeeze impressive endurance from relatively small batteries, but a larger battery measured in milliampere hours would be welcomed by everyone. Whether it is gaming, streaming, or hours of video calls, more capacity would mean more peace of mind. So, that is the iPhone 17 wishlist: a smoother display, a sharper selfie camera, real artificial intelligence, careful pricing, a better camera control button, a more powerful chip, and hopefully a bigger battery. Whether Apple delivers on all of these remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: the iPhone 17 needs to feel like a genuine leap forward. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these upgrades matters most to you? Is it the display, the camera, or just a bigger battery? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy clear, simple breakdowns of the latest tech. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update.